sure you've seen these AI videos blowing up in your feed lately. New accounts are exploding in just a few months, with videos pulling in millions of views. But the crazy part is that 99% of people have no idea these aren't even real people. They're hyper-realistic AI influencers. And these virtual creators are using a brand new strategy to make insane amounts of money without ever showing their real face. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create videos like these and sell your own products. These accounts target deep emotional pain points, which is exactly why they go viral and convert so well. They focus on high-emotion topics like health, wealth, relationships, and other subjects people genuinely care about. And this account here is a perfect real-life example. He's positioned himself as an older, knowledgeable, wealthy person who shares valuable financial advice. The engagement this account is getting is honestly impressive, especially considering it's only around 2 months old. But before I show you how to create videos like these and explain how these accounts actually make money, you first need to pick a strong emotional pain point to build your content around. And if you're not sure which problem your AI avatar should solve, just head to ChatGPT and use my prompt. It's designed to generate emotionally intense problems where people are willing to spend money to fix them. You will get a list of real pain points and real problems people care about deeply. Each problem includes the pain, the trigger, and the solution you can turn into a product. For example, the problem, I'm falling behind financially. The pain behind that is like, everyone online seems to be making money, but I'm stuck. From here, you can build the solution around that problem, and your product could be side hustle courses or guides. Of course, these are just ideas. You can create your own product around that specific problem. So all you have to do is pick the problem that stands out to you to build your content around. But before we do that, let's secure our domain name. And my go-to is always a .store domain. A .store domain works just like a .com, but it's specifically made for online stores. So when someone lands on your website, they instantly know they're looking at a store. Research has also shown that online stores using .store domains get more clicks and higher conversion. It tells both Google and potential customers that you are a store, which can indirectly help you generate more sales. All you have to do is search for the domain name you want, and if it's available, move to the checkout page. Normally, these domains cost $29, but if you use my discount code, you can get yours for just 99 cents, which is a steal. Once you complete the checkout, you'll officially own your own .store domain, which means you'll be using the same domain extension as huge brands and creators like MrBeast, Emirates, Norris, Rihanna, and many more. From there, you can use the Quick Connect feature inside your .store dashboard to connect your domain to the platform you're selling on, like Shopify, in just a few clicks and publish your product. So use my link in the description and grab your .store domain for just 99 cents. Alright, so before I show you how to create these videos, let's quickly go through how to create your product. You basically have two options. The first is creating from scratch using AI, which has become ridiculously easy to do. With a few good prompts, Claude or ChatGPT can write a professional ebook for you in just a few minutes. The second option is using PLR products. Simply search for PLR products on Google, and you'll find ready-to-use digital products that come with resale rights, meaning you can rebrand them, customize them, and sell them as your own. This is the easier option since you don't have to create everything from scratch yourself. So simply choose the option that best fits your current situation. And I'm sure you're wondering how these accounts are actually selling these products. Well, they're using a tool called ManyChat. Whenever someone comments a specific keyword under one of their videos, an automation is triggered, and the product link is automatically sent to that person's direct messages. If we open one of these videos, you'll notice hundreds of people commenting the word structure. Every single one of those comments represents someone who's already interested in the product being promoted. Of course, not everyone will end up buying, but even if only a small percentage converts into customers, that's still a significant amount of money. And now that you understand how this works, let me show you how to create similar videos from scratch. Let's say you want to create a similar video to this. The easiest way to do it is to take a screenshot of the original video, upload it to Claude, and use a prompt like this. Give me a detailed image prompt for Nano Banana or GPT-Image2 to recreate this exact image, but without the captions or logos. 100% realistic and raw iPhone quality. Once you hit enter, you'll get this detailed prompt you see. All you have to do now is copy that prompt, paste it into OpenArt, choose GPT-Image2 as the image model, make sure it's 9:16, and hit generate. And as you can see, this is how the image came out. It's actually mind-blowing how realistic that looks. I really love it. So now we're going to use this image and turn it into a video. But first, of course, we need to write the script and record the voiceover. Again, I will use the original video as a reference and copy the video link. Then head over to this free Instagram Reels transcript generator and paste in the link to extract the exact script. This is incredibly powerful because you now have a proven script structure to use as a template for your content. What you can do is take that original script, give it to Claude, and ask it to use the structure as a template to write a brand new script for your own idea. And this will save you hours of your time. Alright, so now that your script is ready, we will turn it into a voiceover. And the best tool we all know is ElevenLabs. Start by choosing the voice you want to be in your video. I will go with this one called Tank Sinker. Paste in your script and click on Generate Speech.
Never, ever, ever trade in your car at the dealership before checking what it's worth somewhere else. Here's what the dealerships don't tell you.
And as you've heard, it sounds fantastic and realistic. So now you have the image ready and the audio ready, which means it's time to create the video. To do that, we'll use a tool called HeyGen, and the process is very simple. Inside HeyGen, head to the avatar section and then click Create. Make sure to choose Photo to Video and upload the image we just generated in OpenArt. Once you do that, click on this arrow here and upload the voiceover we generated in ElevenLabs, and you are pretty much done. The only thing left is to click here and just wait for your video to be generated. Alright, it's done. Let's check it out.
Never, ever, ever trade in your car at the dealership before checking what it's worth somewhere else. Here's what the dealerships don't tell you. The trade-in number and the price of the new car are two separate.
I mean, it's honestly impressive. The realism is strong, the lip sync looks great, and it only took us a few minutes to create. What you can do now is download that video and use an editing tool like CapCut to edit if needed and add captions. And just like that, your video will be ready.
Never, ever, ever trade in your car at the dealership before checking what it's worth somewhere else. Here's what the dealerships don't tell you. The trade-in number and the price of the new car are two separate negotiations, but dealerships love blending them into one. And when you let them combine it, everything changes. And here is where it gets powerful. They can give you a great deal on the new car while quietly lowballing what your old one is worth, because the profit they lose on one side, they make back on the other, without you ever noticing. So if you want to learn more wealth strategies that most people never hear about, you can access the wealth system using the link in my bio.